In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage records in Airtable, from adding and editing to linking and archiving. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your Airtable table by navigating to the base that contains the records you want to work with. It helps to think of each row as a single record, like a contact, task, or project, and each column as a specific piece of information about that record, such as a name, date, or status. Once you're in the table, you can start managing your data right away. To add a new record, simply click the plus button at the very bottom of the table. A blank row will appear, and you can click into any cell to enter the information you need. Editing existing records is just as easy. Click any cell and update the content directly. There is no save button. Airtable automatically saves your changes as you go. Be sure to fill required fields, especially if you've set up validation rules. These are the fields that need accurate information to keep your database reliable. Using the correct field types also helps maintain data integrity. For example, use date fields for deadlines, checkboxes for completion status, and select fields for categories like priority or department. This keeps your data clean and filterable. If you need to reuse a record, right-click on any row and select Duplicate Record. This creates an exact copy, saving you time when you have similar entries. On the flip side, if a record is no longer needed, select it and choose Delete Record from the menu. For managing multiple records at once, hold down the Shift or Control key to select several rows. Then apply bulk edits like changing a status or assigning a category. You can also attach files directly to records using an attachment field. Just click into that cell and upload documents, images, or PDFs. To add comments and collaborate with your team, open a record by clicking its name or expand arrow, then use the Comments panel on the right. For more advanced data management, link related records across different tables to maintain relationships, like connecting a project to its tasks or contacts. Finally, make it a habit to review your records regularly. Check for outdated information, remove duplicates, and archive completed items by moving them into a separate archive view. This keeps your main table focused and fast. Above all, maintain data quality by keeping your records accurate, complete, and up to date. And that's how you manage records in Airtable, from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.